Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So principles of management, one of the important topic we are going to discuss today, that is, you can see management functions, very important management functions. Wherever you go, whatever you may study, always this will be continuing, this will be lingering, this has to be in your mind that what are the management functions. Simple, remember 6 functions, management functions. These are the management functions. And the next topic would be Fayol's principles, 14 principles of Fayol's. That's different, but management functions are common. Fayol has given different kinds of principles, that's different. Okay, now right now we'll discuss about this management functions. How many functions are there? Total 6 functions are there. What are they? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating and controlling. 6 you have to remember. Okay, planning, organizing, staffing, directing or coordinating and lastly controlling. So you need to. So first of all we'll discuss about planning. What is planning? Want to do anything in your, even in your personal life also, you'll have a planning. You'll go for planning. You'll plan something. This is I want to do. When it comes to the organization, when it comes to the companies, when it comes to the business firm, it is mandatory and must. What is planning? Means forecasting something, what to do, what not to do, when to do, how to do and how to implement it. So who has to do? Deciding everything is nothing but a planning only. So for planning what is required is here knowledge, understanding. Yes, this is going to work out. Like you have to go for planning. Now when it comes to the planning, important things you must know is that planning is specially to achieve better results. Why we are going for planning? Want to achieve some better results. Want to have some improvement. Want to have some improvement. So that is the main important goal for any planning. And also remember, why do we go for planning? Means mainly remember developing the policies. Already we have some policies that we want to develop. Developing the policies, procedures and programs, preparation of budgets and its strategies. These are all organizational related, development related and somewhat growth related plannings. That those are developing policies, procedures, programs, budgets and strategies. And one other important thing you have to remember is planning. There are different types of planning. One is short range or short term plan. 1 month, 15 days, 3 months, short planning. Another one is medium planning, like 6 months, 7 months, medium planning. And long, LONG, okay? Long range plans. Long range plans means more than 1 year. In future you are expecting some kind of plans, that is long range plans. And also single use plans. Only one time you want to use this plan, next time no. Only one time, single use. And also strategic. Strategic means based on the survey, based on the market situations, based on the competition, based on the environment, we'll be preparing some strategic plans. So that is strategic. And also administrative related plans and also operational related plans. So total, these are the different types of plans. Planning is simply planning. No, it will not work out. What kind of plan you want to do? This planning is applicable to the all levels of management. We have already studied levels of management. Top level, medium level, lower level management. Planning should be for all levels of management. Top level, different plans. Medium level, different plans. Lower level management, different plans. Like it can be applicable to the all levels of management. And remember, planning is a continuous process. I have planned something, it's over. No, it's not going to work out. You have to continuously plan something for your organization. That's a continuous process, planning. After planning, planning is over. I have prepared nice planning. Then after that, organizing. How to organize the entire organization? Organizing means nothing but taking all the individuals towards the organizational goals. That is what we are saying. So how do we organize it? For this, arrange it properly, organization, and also guide the people, guide the different types of levels of management, and also coordinate them properly. So what is happening, any kind of difficulties, ready to solve it, like that kind of coordination, and focusing on the production. Organizing means nothing but focusing on the production. What is production? In production we have already discussed 4 types of M's. One is men, material, money and mission. If these 4 are proper, then organizing, you can say it is good. So focusing on this production area, men, material, money and mission. Clear? And also in organizing, important concept comes different types of organizing. One type is that line organization. Line organization means top management will be there, they will be deciding everything. They will be deciding everything, what they decide, what they frame, that has to be implemented. And second thing is that functional organizing. Functional means line and staff members together they will be working. And third one is that line and staff organization. Line and staff and organization means importance will be given to the line people, and also second one is that staff people. Staff people means who are working under the line people, means top level and lower level. Both of them are given a proper priority and understanding, then that is called as line and staff organization. Whatever may be following by the organization, either they are following line or functional or line and staff, whatever it may, there should be a proper coordination. So everything comes under the organizing. Organize it well, understand it well. It has to go smoothly. It's a continuous process, right? And third function, it comes to staffing. Staffing means employing the people and deciding the employees who is going to work in the organization and what is the position to be given, what is the duties, and what kind of responsibility should be given, what kind of target should be given to those people. That everything comes under the staffing. Staffing means recruiting and assigning, giving the targets, making them responsible and motivating them. Everything comes under the staffing. In staffing, main important points you must remember is that manpower planning. Manpower planning. Manpower planning means how many employees are required, and in each section, division wise, top level, medium level and lower level, and also department wise, like production department, sales department, and also you can see a purchase department and material department, like all levels of department, finance department, HR department, department wise also recruitment of the manpower. That is comes under the manpower planning. How many employees are required and what should be their qualification, what kind of experience you are expecting, the quality of the employees, that comes under the manpower planning. And also recruitment, what should be the recruitment process, how we have to recruit, shall we go through the written, shall we go through the interview, and what is the process, recruitment, selection, recruitment process, and how do we select it, and training. Selection is over, then training, you have to give the proper training to those people. So this is also recruitment, selection, training also comes under the staffing. There is another important aspect is that in staffing, development is the main important thing. We are recruiting, why? To develop the organization. This should be the main ambition. Development and also promotion. Promotion means nothing but giving incentives and encouragement, motivation to the existing employees. Promotion policy, how should be the promotion policy, to whom we have to give, what are the parameters, so that everything comes under the promotion. And also transfer of employees and remuneration, deciding the remuneration, what should be their package, and when we have to give the increment, how much increment it should be given. So that is under the promotion. Transfer, why to transfer, when to transfer, whom to transfer. Transfer policy also comes under the staffing only. Generally you might have observed, if one organization is there, suppose the organization A, and organization B. If employees are not skillful in this B organization, then some employees to be transferred from A to B. Skillful employees are transferring to the B organization to develop the B organization, like transfers. Okay, so this everything comes under the staffing. And the fourth important function is that directing. Everything going smoothly or not. We have planned well, organizing, and also recruitments are over. Now it has to go smoothly. Who has to direct it? The main members of the organizing. And it has to go line by line, top to middle, middle to low, low to then workers, like the direction should go smoothly. Now here we must remember few important points. One is that leadership in directing leadership is important. What is the quality of a leader? Just to inspire everyone, remembering the organization goals and taking all the members who are working under his leadership, taking everyone towards the organization goals, inspiring them, motivating them, and leading them, observing the employees who are working under him. So those qualities he has to maintain under direction. Okay, leadership is important. And second important thing is that communication. Has to communicate it properly wherever there is any kind of issue is there. So identifying the issue and how to find out the solution, how to implement it, and how to take care that problem should not occur in future. In that way, a proper communication, there should not be any kind of delay, right? So that's about the communication. And motivation, it is also one kind of directing, motivation to the employees. So whether they are doing work properly or not, if there is any kind of discrimination towards the salaries, towards their qualification, towards their promotion, all these areas he has to focus, so that all the employees should be motivated properly. There should not be any kind of discrimination. If there is any indiscrimination, he has to take care of that, because if employees are not motivated, automatically that affects the entire organization. Taking care of the motivation of the employees and also supervision. All together he has to take care of that supervision. So these are the main 4 areas in directing: leadership, communication, motivation, and supervision. And next, 5th point comes to coordination. Coordinating the entire organization properly. Finding out, first of all, is there any kind of problems arising and people are unable to convey that kind of problematic areas, he has to find out and giving a solution to that, finding out the solution. If not, taking that matter into the top management or relevant management, relevant people. So this kind of everything which comes under the coordination. Coordination main object is that channelize individual activities for achieving common goal. All are having individual activities, but that has to reach to the common goal. That is the main important area of this coordination. And also you must remember achieving the targets, keeping the targets and achieving it, and team spirit, unity, team building, team spirit, that is the main important motto of this coordination. If coordination is over, then lastly it comes to controlling. Remember that whatever plans we are preparing it, we are preparing plans, directing and organizing and also staffing, and everything is clear. But unless we don't have control, we don't have supervision, we don't look at the execution of the plans, it is not going to work out. That is why important function is that controlling. Controlling means whatever plans we have executed, that plans are properly working or not. Any kind of problems are there in the organization, that is to be controlled. Here important areas you must remember is that here controlling means nothing but evaluation of the performance. Evaluate the performance. How is the performance? We have planned, executing, but What about the performance? That performance, and related to the performance, if you find any kind of difficulties, you need to take the measuring steps. These are the steps we wanted to take. So this would work out like you have to go for some measuring steps. And also remember that if planning is the beginning, the starting stage of any organizing function. If planning is the beginning, controlling is the final stage. Yeah, starting and controlling is the final stage. In the same way, planning is looking forward. Planning means future we are seeing. We are expecting some kind of good results, some kind of progress, that is looking forward, looking for the future. But controlling is looking back. What you have done, any kind of problems are going on or not. So that is looking back. Am I clear? Take a screenshot. If you understand management functions, in the coming classes it is very easy. Each and every topic we are going to discuss in detail. But this class is the base. Clear? So what are the functions of planning? First thing is that planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and lastly controlling. Simple. Remember it. Planning. Okay. Next, organizing, recruiting or staffing or directing, coordinating, controlling. What I used to do in my student life, I used to remember first one, planning is okay. Then after that, organizing. Next, staffing. Yes, POS. Then after that, DCC. Like this I used to remember, but very important topic. By the way, did you check out our playlist? Many subjects already prepared, which will be useful for you, and don't forget to share these videos to support our channel. If you are understanding our topics, please write it in the comment box, something like you are understanding, want to express anything, want any new subject which you want, please write it in the comment box. I know you'll give always a thumbs up, I know it. So practice well, have a bright career, see you in the next class with another important topic. Good luck, take care.